Partly sunny with a chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. North Carolina, northwestern Harnett County and central North Carolina, Lee County and central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County and central North Carolina, central Chatham County and central North Carolina, until 8:45 p.m. At 8:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Sanford, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cary, Sanford, Pittsboro, Fuquay, Varina, Goldston, Apex, Holly Springs, Morrisville, Broadway, and Venice. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast for the local area.